Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock the wizard tower in Stardew Valley. Once you have opened up the community center, then you will get this mail here. It's going to be blue and it's going to be from the wizard. So now what we have to do is to go into the wizard tower itself. So what we need to do is head down from our farm here. So I'm just gonna do that and I'm gonna show you where we can locate the wizard's tower. So head down and then we will need to head left. I don't know the sides here, so I don't know south, I don't know west. All I know is down and left. And once we go down and left here, we will need to go through some bushes. So make sure you have your sight with you. Here, it's gonna be tricky sometimes. Alright, so here's the wizard's tower. If you go and try to enter it now, it should no longer tell you that it is locked. As you can see, we can enter it, and this is going to be the wizard. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.